Hello, in this video I will show you three different methods of setting up your Universal TV Remote control. The first step is to turn on your TV manually. The first method will work if your TV brand is on this table. For example, my TV brand is Samsung. To set the remote, I will press and hold the corresponding button while pointing the remote towards the TV until the volume increases. Once I see the volume on the TV, I will release the button and then test the other buttons. As you can see, the remote has already been set for my TV. The second method, which will work for any TV brand, is to press and hold the set button while pointing the remote to the TV. Keep holding the button until you see the volume increases on the TV. Please note that this will take some time, depending on your TV brand. Release the button once you see the volume on the TV and then test the other buttons. The third method is by using the codes. I have already posted a full video with all the codes. You can find it in the description below. For example, let's say I want to use the Universal Remote control as this remote shown in the video. Press and hold the set button and then press the power button. Point the remote control towards the TV and then insert the code on the remote control. You will then be able to use the Universal Remote control as the remote control shown before. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.